Hello everyone, and welcome to my one and probably only video on food sciences. And these are just general things that I've learned in my class Food Science 101. So let's get right into it. The first process that I'll be talking about is actually not a process but a reaction. It's an endothermic reaction. So endothermic reactions are reactions that require us to add heat to make the reaction happen. The definition that you can find online is any chemical reaction that absorbs heat from its environment, such as bread rising or cake rising. Now you see endothermic reactions in a lot of the cooking process because a lot of cooking requires us to heat things up. We will get more into that later because a lot of the further reactions and other things I have going further can fall under the category of endothermic reactions. But that is something for the next one. Our next topic is caramelization. Caramelization is when sugar is introduced to heat. It can be found in cookies and is normally the last reaction that takes place when you actually bake your cookies. The sugar darkens, and it usually alters the flavor of the sugar when you're eating it as well. This can also be classified as an endothermic reaction, like I stated earlier. We're going to have a lot of overlap in this video. Our next topic is gelatinization. Gelatinization in fries causes them to be hard and rigid on the outside while maintaining a soft, pillowy inside. It's what makes what makes the perfect fry a perfect fry. Now, the process of blanching is when you cook your fries, you put them in the hot oil, and then immediately take them out of the hot oil and put them into ice cold water. It stops the cooking process almost immediately and allows for that hard outside again, because that's what you just cooked, while stopping the cooking process on the inside, which can be later refried in order to create the soft inside. My last scientific concept isn't so much a concept that has to do with chemicals or reactions like we've been talking about. It's actually part of the scientific process of observing your food, and it's called general sensory evaluations. And it's part of the process when you're eating your food, and it's something that I learned during our eggs module. So, general sensory evaluations require you to break down what you're eating into multiple factors for consideration, and it's generally something that we can all start to implement when we eat. It's just basically evaluating what you smell, what you're tasting, what you're looking at. It's putting all that together into one evaluation and really taking a deeper look into what you're eating and how you eat it. Thank you for listening. This has been my video. Hope you've enjoyed it.